And this is probably one of the fourth social partner that we need to add to that equation. Our conversation must not be behind doors. We need a fourth social partner to the tripartite equations, and that's the media. But the media need to be ethical. A conscious employer, a conscious government, conscious government, a reasonable employer, a responsible worker, and an ethical media that is free from biasness and that is strictly under the command of objectivity or objective reporting. According to the ILO estimates, 81% of work-related deaths globally are due to occupational diseases, whilst 19% results from injuries. In Africa, this burden is magnified by weak enforcement, limited data, and chronic underinvestments in occupational safety health systems. Vulnerable sectors such as informal economy, domestic work, construction, and mining are particularly exposed. These are sectors where many of our members work, often without adequate training, equipment, or legal protection. This is why your role as trade union leaders is so critical. You are the voice of workers. You are the bridge between policy and practice. And you are the agents of change